Hello guys, Teacher Grace here, and we are going to talk about DepEd Order number 15 series of 2026, which is the new K to 12 grading and assessment policy. For grades 1 to 3, hindi na po numerical yung grading natin. It will be descriptive, meaning hindi po natin ilalagay doon kung ano ang numerical grade ni learner. We have example A for advancing, B for benchmarking, C for connecting, D for developing, and E for emerging. Ito po yung removal of transmutation. So, wala na po talaga yung no child left behind. We are going to assess the learners in their capacity. Kasi dati po, konting day lang nung performance or konting effort lang dun sa grades, pwede na mapasa si learner. Ngayon po talaga is they will be assessed according to raw scores. We are aiming for academic recovery and para naman po supportaan yung teachers natin kasi mahirap po talaga kung ating ipopromote yung learner hindi pa naman ready dun sa grade level. For the academic awards and recognition from grades 4 to 12. So, yung general average ng awardee is kailangan minimum of 90. Tapos, kailangan na wala siyang final grade na below 80 in any subject. Additional po ay kailangan na wala siyang disciplinary record with no derogatory cases. Tapos, the same with before, ang listing po ng award based on their description is still alphabetical, regardless of gender. Sino po yung mga nakatanggap ng with honors, they will be listed alphabetically. Yung mga with high honors will be also listed alphabetically regardless of gender and with highest honors. For the Special Grade Award. So, meron pa rin pong Leadership Excellence Award na kung saan si student from 4 to 12 shows exemplary initiative, positive community influences, and spotless record. For the discipline-specific awards, mga outstanding performance to ng subject disciplines, athletics, arts, or TVL or Technical Vocational Livelihood. Para naman po sa special recognition, ito po yung mga nag-acknowledge sa student na nagbibigay ng honor sa school through district, division, regional, or national competitions. To further check these special grade level awards, kung kailan, kung classroom ba, school level ba, per term ba, kindly check my video on DepEd Order number 36 series of 2016. See you in the next video. This is Teacher Grace.